I gave all the others and I forgot this one. Yep. And we're gonna open a kombucha. Okay, they sweet. The strawberries. Large strawberries, yeah. They are. Okay. Let me wipe a bit the table. I forget to give my cake away to you forget to give yours away. Actually, let's put this in a piping bag. Let me have a sip of coffee. That strawberry been eating 5 pizzas every day. I think so too. A fat strawberry. Chocolate dipping size strawberries. I need a piping tip. Let me find one. Okay. Blurry cam. Yeah. I hope it's refocusing on my eyes or something. Before the stream, actually, the cameras had an update. Like, okay, come on, camera, you back? She's back? It's back? Not she. Come on, camera. It's getting blurry because I show the cake close to you, close up to you. Nope. Come on, come on. Still blurry. Okay, this one fits. If it's still blurry, let me go to PC and try to fix it up. And it's back. I need glasses like I do need glasses, yeah. So a bit before went blurry. Probably. Probably. We back. We back. Yeah, I will try to fix all the USB things, and so I've been reading a bunch of stuff, and because everyone needs million webcams in their PC, but PCs are not made for these yet. So yeah, it's clear now. Okay. Filling this with a whipping cream. So I actually have a purpose for Megan, only one purpose. She should be here only to fix my streaming problems. Bet she's good at that. Ruby actually wasn't quiet. Ruby did whipped up eggs and stuff. Casco gifted you. Nice. Thank you so much, Casco.